Welcome guys, so today I am with the Google Pixel 6a and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks on this device. So the first, when we are in the camera mode, we can tap on the screen, and then when we make it we can adjust the temperature by using this slider. We can also adjust the brightness level and the contrast and the saturation by using these sliders. If you want to reset them to the defaults, just click on these arrows, and that's how we can make it. When you are going to click and hold your shutter in the photo mode, you are going to record short video, and right now when you're gonna swipe like that with your finger, you can zoom in or zoom out. You can also move to this lock, and then you don't have to hold this button anymore. We can just finish by tapping right here. You can also use the volume buttons that you can find in this place. So as default they are set up as the shutter, but also we can change this function in the settings. When you're gonna click and hold it, volume up or down, it will work the same like holding this shutter right here. Okay, and right now I think it's time to simply go for the settings. So we can open this list, and as you can see, we can enable, for example, camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds. Let's select 3 seconds, click on the shutter, and after this countdown, the photo will be taken. To power off, just go right here. We can open more settings where you will find, for example, this option to adjust the volume buttons function. So as you can see, currently we set it up as a shutter, but we can switch to the zoom, for example, and take a look how it works. When I'm gonna press volume up, the phone is going to zoom in, and volume down to zoom out. As you can see, it works very smooth. And also I can show you how to use the zoom feature. So as you can see, normally we got the ultra-wide lens, wide lens, and the telephoto lens. But when you click and hold on already selected preset, you will get the slider and you can go for the 7x zoom. As you can see, it works very smooth. We can go back for the settings for another time, because I will also find here other settings. So when you keep scrolling, you can also enable the grid lines. You can pick 3x3, 4x4, or you can get the golden ratio. So we can decide which you want to get. And as you can see right now, the lines appears on the screen, and they help us to take better composition on the photos. Yeah, just like that. When you open the modes, you can for sure find the panorama mode and also the Photosphere. So let me show you how it works. Right now we have to move for these dots and point on them. Right now at the bottom, and as you can see right now we can go forward and capture other places, other part of the image, and we can click, for example, right here, and that's how this photo looks. Well, let me just rotate a little bit, and as you can see, that's the photo that we take. For sure, we can move it, basically play by tapping on this button. So yeah, that's all my camera tricks for the Google Pixel 6a. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.